If you want to change the display name in your Outlook mail account, then simply follow these steps. So let's get started. Firstly, open any web browser and go to the Outlook and make sure you are logged into your Outlook account. Then, from your Outlook inbox, click on the File tab in the upper left corner of your screen. Then click on the Account Settings button. On the drop-down menu, click Account Settings again. Then in the windows that appears, click on the email address that corresponds to the name you wish to change. With this account name highlighted, simply click Change option available there. In the Your Name field, type the display name of your choice. When you are finished, click Next to save and apply your changes. To test that your display name change was successful, try composing a new email message and addressing it to yourself. After you send the email, you should be able to see the new display name once the test email is received. Keep in mind that if your Outlook account is hosted via Microsoft Exchange, like many companies do, you will not be able to change the display name unless you are the organization's account administrator. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.